Hey guys, on today's video I'm taking a look at IKEA.com. So we're going to be shopping there. So we're just going to go on and go shopping. And here we go. So you guys will see this free delivery up to, but it really does depend what you guys are getting. But anyways, regardless if you guys have to pay or not for delivery, this is the way to do it. So let's say you guys are looking for some storage and something for outdoor. You guys can take a look at that stuff. Then once you find your product, so for example, this one says that it's available for home delivery. We can do that. If you guys don't see this option down here below, so it says click and collect unavailable. That just means they probably don't have anything in store. And sometimes they only have delivery available. And that's because they have it from maybe other stores or warehouses where they can get it from. And that's why delivery is available. For this video today is all about delivery, so this is fine. We can always change our store, by the way. And just make sure, so you guys get a reasonable approximate to make sure that your postal code is fine. So up here, see this postal code? Tap on it on the right hand side and put in your postal code to make sure that it's giving you a good estimate about the delivery and if it's even available for you. But even before we go on and add this to our cart or anything like that, on the top right hand side, you guys should see login or sign up. Tap there. And then if you guys haven't joined already in the IKEA family, go ahead and do it. It's free. Or if you're a network, it's worth it to go to the business one. So definitely go into there if you're a business or IKEA family. It's, from my experience, the same thing. Anyways, once you guys have signed up and you're good to go, then only then add whatever product you guys want to your cart. So we're going to do that. Once you add it to your cart, just keep adding more stuff. Or on the top right hand side, you guys should see this icon for checkout. Just go on and check out what you guys have there. So here we go. Here's my product. And then just continue to check out. So that's on the right hand side. Continue to check out. And by the way, if you did not sign up yet, this is the time to do it. So join for free or log in. So tap there. Do not continue as guest. And that's because even if you're taking this as a one-time thing, you still get some points from IKEA, which I haven't really seen what you can use them for. But anyways, if you guys are doing click and collect, it's gonna be free as long as it's over $25. Okay, so that I have seen that they changed. Before they always used to charge you. Now for members, they don't. And your membership is free. Anyways, right now you guys should see that you have these two options. So the click and collect and the parcel delivery. So like I mentioned, it should be free. Well, it does depend what it is. But in this case, it is free, luckily. So we're going to go on and just continue. It's going to tell us when that delivery is going to happen. So if you guys do want this faster, you might want to just pick up yourselves. But again, this you're going to have to wait. So right here, it says the 7/7. So that's 6 days from now. And then to pick up, even pickup's not that great because it's still 4 days away. But again, it depends. Sometimes you guys can pick up the same day. And then usually it's by the next day. But we're just going to continue on because we're doing parcel delivery. So we're going to have that delivered to our home. So let's just tap on continue. All right, then it's going to ask you for your details, your organization if you have one, tax ID if you want to put one in there, your email address, and then a bunch of information that you guys have to just fill up. So once you put in your address and everything, just go on into continue on the bottom left-hand side. All right, so from there, just make sure all your information is correct, your payments. Now, this is the good part because you guys can choose credit or debit, Apple Pay, or PayPal. PayPal, I think, is the safest way to go with anything. However, in this case, you guys can choose anything else that you guys might want. If you guys do choose credit card, it's going to ask for credit card information down here below. Security code, obviously. And then once you guys just put in that information, on the bottom, you're going to see pay. So just tap on pay on this blue button. All right, so once you guys have done so, it's going to say thank you for your order. It's going to give you your order number, so make sure to take a screenshot out of that. All right, and if you scroll down, you're going to see this. So our shipping was in fact free. We can see that right here. That's our total. That's how much we paid. And right now you should be getting an email. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.